Hey guys, Martin Varkey here. Welcome to my garage. Today, I've got a 2018 Ford GT on the hoist. I want to show you a product offering from MBRP, but first, let's check out the factory setup. Big heavy front resonator, a squirrely set of pipes going back to factory mufflers. And yeah, Ford at least gave us some cool quad tips back there. Now you're gonna notice this is the active car, the active setup, and your actuators will be in there. Come on over here, I'll show you what MBRP has to offer. So as we always talk about, this is a fully compliant company, fully compliant setup. Cats are in place. We're gonna come back here, we're gonna pick it up right here at these band clamps. Factory setup. We're then gonna come to the front H-pipe, 3-inch tubing, mandrel bends back here. You're gonna see large 3-inch bent tailpipes all the way to the mufflers. You're gonna end up with band clamps, factory hanger locations, and then, as I mentioned, high flow mufflers from MBRP. Each of these mufflers are gonna exit into quad tips. These are 4-inch stainless steel dual wall angle cuts. So you know what? This one's all installed, bolted up, ready to go. Let's get this Mustang outside, give her a listen. All right, we got the Mustang on the ground. Let's take it for a drive, see what it sounds like. Nice and mellow. I assume you guys can hear that great sound at the back of the car. You know, it's I love the pitch and the tone of this. It's aggressive without being obnoxious. It's not mellow. I would say when I shift into 6 now, when I get into top gear, it tends to go towards mellow. So like with a lot of our systems, I really believe our designers spent a lot of time to get you the best of both worlds, where you can have that aggressive sound and bang it through the gears, or you can cruise all day long and have a more mellow, subtle note that you can have that conversation in the car. Now keep in mind too, this is an active car, and we've put this system as a non-active system on an active car. So it will fit both, bolts onto both, and really sounds good on both. Start throwing some downshifts in it, and it's just way cool. So, speaking of sounds good, let's put our foot into it and let you guys hear it with some throttle. You know what? Yeah, I just love that. I could drive that all day long. So, ease of installation, quad tips, high flow, 3-inch mandrel bend. That's part number 7205. Go check it out at mbrp.com.